This is a really quick video on how to use the Dremel Easy Lock. This is a feature that was released in 2004, but every time I pick up my Dremel, I forget how to use it. So hopefully this will help. What you want to do is you want to unscrew right here, and this acts as a wrench. Then you're going to want to hold down your lock button, and that locks this collet nut. And then you move this up, and it basically you're going to be using this as a wrench. So you continue twisting the way you unscrewed it. You can pull your tool out. You can replace it with another one. And then you just twist the opposite way. So now it's nice and tight on there. You're basically using this as a wrench. You keep twisting this down. Boom, and it is locked in place. And I'm going to do that one more time just so you can see. So you hold this lock button down, you unscrew, you lift this up, use it as a wrench, keep turning the same way, pull your tool out, put your new tool in, and then you're going to twist the opposite way, pull it down, and screw it back onto your device, keeping that lock button down the whole time. There we go. Basically, this just acts as a wrench. You could also hold that lock down and use your wrench, unscrew, put your other tool in, and then use the wrench again. So hopefully this helps. I know it's going to help me because I forget, because I store this away for long periods of time and I get it out and I'm like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. And I hopefully this helped you if you're struggling with this issue, and I really do like this feature on Dremel. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. If it helped you, consider giving me a like and or a subscribe, and I'll catch you later, nerds.